Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert ribbon shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert ribbon shape, go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and we can see here many shape. Now I am find and select the ribbon shape. We can see here the ribbon carved and tiled down, or the carved and tiled up, or the tiled down or tiled up. Now I am select the tiled down. Then draw the ribbon shape, press and hold shift on our keyboard. We can see here the ribbon shape. You can change the color, select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape fill and change the color. You can change the outline color of ribbon shape. Now we can see we make a ribbon shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.